at least you have to work 3 years for in case of 491 visa, and 2 years you must live in work for 190 visa. If you are nominated by Migration Queensland, you will also receive an invitation from the Department of Home Affairs to lodge your visa application, and you will be given 60 days to lodge your visa application. So, hi everyone, welcome to Academically, and today is the good news for you if you are looking to migrate to Australia. So, you already completed your process, now you are looking to file your EOI. So, Queensland is inviting the visa EOI basically for subclass 190 and 491. Today in this video, we'll see what are the steps you need to take to apply for EUI, and we also give you the link in the description, so directly you can go to your website and you can file your EUI. Okay, so if you are a healthcare professional, basically for example like medical doctor, pharmacist, nurse, lab technician, physiotherapist, and so on, and you completed basically like your initial skill assessment and you passed the exam. In case of, for example, like pharmacist, you passed this CAPS exam, you already passed this English requirement, now you're looking to file your EOI. So this is the right time for you to apply for Queensland. Now we'll see the requirement for Queensland. As I mentioned earlier in my video that you required 75.4190 and 65.4491 visa. Okay, and similarly English minimum 7 the requirement, and work experience required 3 month work experience for the 190, and for another there is no work experience required, and your age must be below 45 years, and the commitment for you must at least you have to work 3 years for in case of 491 visa, and 2 years you must live in work for 190 visa. You can see here, this is the Queensland website that this year quota they already open, so now you can apply. Okay, so अभी चलते हैं कि next week what are the steps you need to take in order to migrate here. So if you see, this is basically onshore or offshore, both can apply, but I'm here looking for the offshore applicant. Mostly if you are not in Australia, so you have to go for offshore applicant. So basically both are eligible, both can apply for offshore and onshore applicant. These are the criteria that I mentioned earlier. 65.4190 age itni honi chahiye, and we can go directly the steps. These are the 5-step process to apply for Queensland. So the first step, basically they are saying you have to read the criteria. For example, your work experience, and you have the skill assessment, all those things, English requirement. If you are meet the criteria, then only you can apply. This is the first step process. And second step, you have to go to skill select. So this is the main step. Here you have to file your EOI. Directly you can just click on the select, make your account, and you can start your application directly. Then step 3, basically again, the Migration Queensland consider all EOI that meet the above criteria. If you are invited, apply for nomination, and you will receive an email. मतलब उन्होंने कहा कि once you applied for EOI, then you will receive an email from Migration Queensland. Then you have to pay the fees. So basically there is a fees to apply in Queensland. तो कितना फीस है ये देख लेते हैं यहाँ पर. तो for 190 and 491 you have to give 300 Australian dollar the fees, and GST separately $30. So around 330 AUD you need to pay the total fees. This is the non-refundable fees, whether you got invitation or not. Then once they will check, then they will give you final the invitation. So number 5 step, that if you are nominated by Migration Queensland, you will also receive an invitation from the Department of Home Affairs to lodge your visa application, and you will be given 60 days to lodge your visa application. Once you receive the invitation, विद इन 2 मंथ में आपको जो है अपना वीजा एप्लीकेशन डालना होगा. तो दिस इज द एंड डॉक्यूमेंट अगर चाहिए आप लोग यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. बट इन जनरल बेसिकली इफ यू आर ए फार्मासिस्ट, तो आपका जो आपने जो कैप्स एग्जाम पास किया है, दैट लेटर फ्रॉम द एपीसी दैट यू हैव टू अपलोड, एंड इंग्लिश रिक्वायरमेंट and work experience in English and all those documents basically you required, apart from like कि आपका passport and national identity card and PCC also, and all those documents you required to apply. तो आप लोग देख सकते हैं, हम लोग लिंक दिया हुआ डिस्क्रिप्शन के अंदर. देन फॉर मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन, एंड यू गॉन थ्रू ऑल दिस इन्फॉर्मेशन, राइट? सो if you have any other questions, please leave a comment below so I can make more videos for you. And this is the news for you. I mean, and this year is competition going to be a little bit higher, so please try to improve your score before you apply for this visa. ठीक है? तो अभी बहुत सारी जगह जो अभी क्लोज है, अभी इन्होंने ओपन किया है, तो बहुत सारे लोग अप्लाई करेंगे. बहुत सारे लोग बहुत टाइम से जो है 3 मंथ्स लोग वेट कर रहे थे ओपन होने के लिए, तो बहुत ज्यादा कंपटीशन हाई होता है इस टाइम पे. तो इम्प्रूव करें एज मच यू कैन योर स्कोर, एंड देन यू कैन अप्लाई. ठीक है? तो ये थी आज की वीडियो, एंड थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.